Creating a Runna account is really easy to do. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is on your Google Play or App Store, you just want to search Runna, and you can actually get the app. It doesn't cost any money. They do have plans if you want to personalize your training even more. You can actually do that in the app, but it does not cost any money to actually get, and to create an account is absolutely free. But once you open up the app, you'll be brought to this page right here, and it'll give you a quick overview on how to use the app and what it can do and just how you can improve your training overall and get stronger and faster. But what you want to do is we just want to click on the sign up option or log in if you already have an account, and you just want to enter in your first name, last name, and email like so. Once you've entered in that, you can actually sign up using Google, or you can actually just sign up like I just did. So here, once you've done that, you can actually just click on the get started, assuming you don't want to join their email list or use a referral code for get a cheaper price when you actually start using the app. And it's basically going to ask you a few things about why you're on Runna and what your personal goals are. Now, in this case, I'm trying to run a race. I want to run a 5K. Maybe it's your first 5K, so you can check that option. And then you can actually see it'll filter out all these races for you in the coming months that you might be interested in doing. Now, you can simply click on one of these and it'll create you a training regimen for any of these, but you don't have to click on these. You can simply click on X in the top right. I'm just going to say I want to do the marathon right here. And once you select your race, you can basically select your running level, elite, advanced, beginner, intermediate, depending on what you are, and click on continue like so, as well as putting in your birthday on this page right here. Assuming you're 18, you select your gender, click on continue, as well as your race time, which you click on continue right here, and you want to enter how many days a week you actually want to run. Once you've done that, you simply click on the continue option, selecting the days that you actually want to run, or it can actually be up to random. I'm just going to deselect one, and you just want to choose which day you want your long runs to be on. Now you have to choose one, and you click on continue. It'll invite you to turn on notifications, which you don't have to do, but it helps if you want to be more in tech with your running. And once you've done that, you simply want to select your plan. It can be custom, or it can be whatever amount of weeks it takes to lead up to the race, and then you click on continue. And once you've done that, you can optimize for kilometers or miles, your choice, and then you click on continue, and you can see it's simply set up your entire Runna account. And you can actually just get started, and you can see we can do the trial, or we can actually pay immediately. And once you're in, it will build your plan like so. And now we've successfully created our runner account. And as you can see, click on continue a few times, and it'll basically guide you through on each thing, what it does for your training plan, and it'll actually give you your training plan. And to see what you need to do each day, you can simply click on each of your miles, and you can actually scroll down, and it'll tell you what your distance is and what your paces are for each workout, as well as personalize, coach you with its own running voice, which you can turn on or off. It's on automatically, but it helps just motivate you and push you harder through your workouts. And that's how you simply create your Runna account.